Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix Minecraft not downloading from Microsoft Store. So if you're having this issue, then the problem or the solution is really easy. You just need to go over here and search Minecraft here. Let's search for Minecraft, and then you just need to go over here, and ever you face any problem, then you just need to go to the start menu and then go to the setting. Once you come over that place, you just need to go on to the apps and then click install apps, and from that place you just need to search Microsoft Store, Microsoft, then you will get that one in here. So let's say I am going to see that what is the full name. So I'm going to search store in here, and let's see does we get this one. Let's search from Microsoft. Okay, that's quite good. So here you just need to find it of Microsoft Store. Once you get it, like here we are not getting that one in here, somehow there's maybe problem. So here actually you just need to be scroll down and go to the system components, and then eventually you will find out Microsoft Store. You just need to click this three dot. Once you click over here, then you will get a pop-up where the text will be advanced option. You just need to click this one. Once you click over here, then you just need to be scroll down, and then eventually you will find out two options called repair and reset. Like the system component still is not working right, you just need to reset it. The system component data will be deleted and it will be fixed. And if the system component is not working right, we can try to repair it, and system component data won't be affected. So you can try this one, and then when it will be completed, then you can ever again try to download Microsoft like the Minecraft from that place. So the process is really simple. If you think this video was helpful for you and you learn a new thing from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.